Hi everyone, this is Isla. Welcome back to episode 11 of No Study, Just Listen English. If you haven't watched the previous episodes, please go and watch them first, because this is a step-by-step journey. Today, we're doing something powerful. Today, we're training your brain to speak English naturally. No study, no grammar, just listening and repeating. Take a deep breath, relax, and stay with me, because this session can really change how you speak English. Now, listen carefully and repeat after me. I am ready. I am ready. I can speak English. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. Good. Keep going. Don't rush. Now answer me. Do you understand English but feel stuck when speaking? Say it. Yes, I understand, but I can't speak. Yes, I understand, but I can't speak. That's okay. That's normal. Now repeat. I am not afraid of speaking. I am not afraid of speaking. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes are okay. I learn by speaking. I learn by speaking. Good. Very good. Now we start real shadowing practice. Stay focused. Listen. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I drink coffee and check my phone. I drink coffee and check my phone. Then I get ready for my day. Then I get ready for my day. Again, a little faster. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I drink coffee and check my phone. I drink coffee and check my phone. Then I get ready for my day. Then I get ready for my day. Nice! Keep your energy. Now I ask you, what do you do in the morning? Say it. I wake up and start my day. I wake up and start my day. Perfect. Now next, I go to work or school. I go to work or school. I talk to people in English. I talk to people in English. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. Again, I go to work or school. I go to work or school. I talk to people in English. I talk to people in English. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. Great job! Now let's build confidence. Say this strongly. I am confident. I am confident. I speak clearly. I speak clearly. People understand me. People understand me. Again, with feeling. I am confident. I am confident. I speak clearly. I speak clearly. People understand me. People understand me. Amazing! Keep going. Don't stop. Now, listen carefully. I used to be afraid of speaking English. I used to be afraid of speaking English. But now I practice every day. But now I practice every day. And I feel more confident. And I feel more confident. Again, I used to be afraid of speaking English. I used to be afraid of speaking English. But now I practice every day. But now I practice every day. And I feel more confident. And I feel more confident. Good. Quick question for you. Are you repeating with me? Say, yes, I am repeating. Yes, I am repeating. I am focused. I am focused. I will not stop. I will not stop. Perfect. Stay with me. Now, real-life conversation. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? I'm doing great, thank you. I'm doing great, thank you. What about you? What about you? Again? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? I'm doing great, thank you. I'm doing great, thank you. What about you? What about you? Good. Now, what do you do for work? What do you do for work? I work in an office. I work in an office. I enjoy my job. I enjoy my job. Again. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? I work in an office. I work in an office. I enjoy my job. I enjoy my job. Nice! Now listen and feel the rhythm. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I listen and I repeat. I listen and I repeat. This is how I improve. This is how I improve. Again. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I listen and I repeat. I listen and I repeat. This is how I improve. This is how I improve. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Now a little challenge. Speak without fear. Speak without fear. Don't think too much. Don't think too much. Just say the words. Just say the words. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. If you complete on this video 50 likes, I uploaded next a useful podcast specially for you. Let's begin. Hey, how was your day? Hey, how was your day? It was really good. It was really good. I learned something new today. I learned something new today. Nice flow. Keep breathing. Stay relaxed. Now, final mindset. I will keep practicing. I will keep practicing. I will not give up. I will not give up. I will become fluent. I will become fluent. Again, strong voice. I will keep practicing. I will keep practicing. I will not give up. I will not give up. I will become fluent. I will become fluent. You made it this far? That means you are serious. And here's your surprise. If you repeat this video every day for 7 days, you will feel a real difference in your speaking. Yes, real difference. So save this video, come back, and practice again. And remember, no study, just listening. No study, just listening. Like this video, subscribe, and keep practicing with me. This is Isla, and I'll see you in the next episode. Happy learning! And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. If you complete on this video 50 likes, I uploaded next a useful podcast specially for you.